Hello, welcome to Solving Watercolour. Today I'm looking at some of the less commonly used brushes. Well, okay, two of them aren't even brushes to be honest. But they're all things I use from time to time in watercolour painting, and I used all three in this painting at various points. So let's start with this, the palette knife. If you're old like me and you grew up in Britain in the 1970s, you may remember this lady who used to do whole oil paintings with just one of these. But that was oils. In this painting, and in watercolour in general, I tend to use it for scraping out textures and branch shapes. Now this is a colour shaper. It kind of looks like a brush, but it's actually a rubber tip in a chisel shape. These can be used for lots of different things, such as blending pencils and pastels. In watercolour painting, I use it for applying masking fluid because, unlike a brush, it's easy to remove the dried masking fluid by just pulling it off afterwards. Now finally, here we have the fan brush. It was traditionally used in oil painting for blending. In watercolour, it makes quite a useful brush for creating grasses and leaf textures. Now, if you're interested in going deeper into watercolour brushes and painting techniques for specifically landscapes, I have a premium course called Successful Watercolour Landscapes. It's available from my website and the link's in the description below. Or maybe if you're just thinking about dipping a toe into watercolour painting and you're just getting started, sign up for my free course, Learn Watercolour in 7 days. So thanks for watching, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll speak to you soon.